Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to fix notes not showing on Instagram. So for that, open the Instagram application and then get logged in into the account. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the messenger icon on the top right corner. Tap that. As you can see on my screen, I have note feature already being available for Insta use. If you do not have this feature to leave a note in your profile, what you can do is you can try updating your Instagram application. This feature is newly added to the Instagram from December 13. So if the Instagram is not updated to the latest version, you will be missing this feature from your Instagram. For that, open the Google Play Store, tap on search bar, then there type in Instagram, tap on search. Now here on the Instagram, if your app is not up to date, you will have the option of update instead of open, and there you will need to tap on update. With that, the update process will begin right after, and once you open your Instagram application, you will have the leave a note update. Once the update is completed, you will be able to use this feature. So the first process to fix this issue of notes not showing on Instagram is to update your Instagram application. Even after doing so, if you do not see this leave a note update in your profile, what you can do is you can uninstall the application and reinstall the Instagram and then get logged in. This might help you solve the issue of Instagram notes not showing. So these are the two options for how you can fix the Instagram notes not showing on your Insta app. Hope this information was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.